Okay, so we've got the head outside here in my professional blasting booth, and basically we're going to hit this with some walnut shells. Okay, so this is after the walnut shell blast. You can see it really does knock all the carbon right off of the metal surface, no problem, and it doesn't hurt the aluminum. So what we're going to do now is lock these valves. Basically, we're going to take an abrasive and just kind of roughen up the surface so that these valves will seat properly, and we'll do that next.